Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two powerful robot vacuum and mop combos, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus and the ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus comes at a price of $799, while the ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is priced at $769. Both of these products offer great features, but if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, the ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo might be the way to go. When it comes to vacuuming and mopping performance, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus boasts the same powerful vacuum technology as the Roomba J7 Plus vacuum. It features a 4-stage cleaning system that pulls in dirt, debris, and pet hair from wherever it hides. Additionally, it has proprietary dirt detect technology, which allows it to detect dirtier areas and clean them more thoroughly. On the other hand, the ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo offers a 1,400 pascals vacuuming power and a 230 milliliters electric control water tank for mopping. It is designed to quickly remove dust, paper scraps, and other garbage from all hard floors. With its intelligent obstacle avoidance function and 2.87 inches slim design, it can reach every corner of your house. Both products excel in vacuuming and mopping performance. But the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus with its advanced cleaning technology might have a slight edge in this category. Now let's talk about smart features. The iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus comes with the iRobot Home app, allowing you to schedule cleaning, create no mop zones, and control your robot with ease. It also knows what to clean and what to avoid, making it worry-free when it comes to objects like cords, pet toys, and more. Additionally, it has a self-emptying bin that can hold up to 60 days of debris, giving you 2 months of hassle-free cleaning. The ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, on the other hand, offers a smart app called ZCWA Smart App, which allows you to create a home clean schedule, change the clean mode, and control the clean direction. It is also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, enabling voice control for added convenience. With its 100-minute runtime and self-charging capability, it can efficiently clean your home without interruptions. Both products offer impressive smart features, but if you're looking for a wider range of smart integrations, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus might be the better choice. Moving on to cleaning modes, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus offers advanced navigation and 2 cleaning passes, allowing it to navigate your home in neat, efficient rows for a thorough clean. It also has a specialized microfiber pad for mopping, ensuring a shiny and dust-free hard floor. Meanwhile, the ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo provides 4 high-efficiency cleaning modes: Auto, Spot, Edge, and Zigzag. These modes can be flexibly switched through the remote control or app, catering to different cleaning needs. Its zigzag path covers the largest area for cleaning, reducing mist scanning and increasing efficiency by 30%. Both products offer versatile cleaning modes, but if you prefer a more systematic and thorough cleaning approach, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus might be the one for you. Based on online reviews, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus and the ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo have received positive feedback from customers. Let's take a look at some of the reviews for each product. And there you have it, our comparison of the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus and the ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Both products have their strengths, and it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. We hope this video has helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Remember, at Buy Smart, we've got you covered. See you next time.